More than 37 million people are expected to travel this Memorial Day weekend. And whether it's a road trip or an international vacation, you may be planning your first big trip in a while as the COVID-19 pandemic begins to finally ease. But have you thought about travel insurance? Arcadia LaSalle has more on why you might want it and how you can get it.
Our AAA Insurance expert, Skyler McKinley, joins us now. Skyler, I think a lot of people are planning vacations, especially after vaccination. So we're talking travel insurance. Can you explain exactly what it is?
Yeah, I think there's an understanding that travel plans are a significant investment, and you want to protect that investment in an uncertain world, something a lot of us learned this time last year when all of our plans were being canceled. There's four main components to travel insurance, and they're not all just in case your trip gets canceled because of something like a pandemic. Of course, there is trip cancellation or trip interruption insurance, which makes you whole if your trip is canceled or delayed due to a natural disaster, an illness, or something going on with the travel provider. But look, it's also as simple as baggage and personal items coverage. If something gets lost during travel, that can be covered by travel insurance. Emergency medical insurance, if you were to get sick or injured while traveling, or travel accident insurance, which if something were to happen, as rare as it might be, that affects you for the rest of your life while you're traveling, you can be covered and made whole there. So look, I would say that COVID-19 has changed travel insurance as a general proposition, but the fundamentals are the same, and it's still a good idea if you're spending any significant amount of money on travel.
It sounds about right. And I know so much has changed since the pandemic. How specifically has it changed travel insurance?
In the first place, interest in travel insurance is way up. 40% of Coloradans say they're more likely to purchase travel insurance as a result of the pandemic. That number grows every time we ask the question. Interestingly, travel insurance has changed as well. Historically, with the exception of really premium priced cancel for any reason insurance, travel insurance has historically not covered epidemics or pandemics. These days, though, because COVID-19 changed the world, insurance providers are introducing plans that cover some losses, specifically due to COVID-19 or, God forbid, some other epidemic disease. The important thing to remember here is you've got to pay attention to the details, and you should check with the experts. I really would say don't just check the box. Talk to someone before you get travel insurance to make sure you know what you're getting, because it doesn't cover everything.
So when someone wants to buy travel insurance, it's time to do that. How can they know they have the right insurance for them?
Yeah, not all travel insurance products are created equal. The details matter the most. So even something like cancel for any reason insurance doesn't necessarily mean any reason. Travel insurance is a smart addition whenever you're spending significantly, but it has to be the right fit. I always say work with a pro, in this case, a travel agent, to get the best value on the coverage you want and need. But look, I'm here all the time telling it to you. Life is just a lot easier when you've got advocates in your corner. So whether that's banking, insurance, travel, you name it, we're here to help. We can help you find a whole team for you to have at AAA.com.